Introducing the Wendougee Data Espresso Machine, a harmonious blend of timeless design and cutting-edge technology, crafted for the discerning coffee enthusiast. With its minimalist metal exterior, the Wendougee Data exudes elegance, seamlessly complementing any kitchen decor. Enhance your brewing experience with the eBar app, allowing you to customize and share extraction profiles, bringing a personalized touch to every cup. Experience unparalleled performance with the Wendougee Data's advanced features, delivering exceptional espresso tailored to your taste. Elevate your coffee journey with the Wendougee Data Espresso Machine, where elegance meets innovation in every brew. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight how exceptional the steam performance is for creating beautifully crafted lattes.